It's my birthday. Little known fact, today's my birthday and I get to do something fun on my birthday. I get to go check on the van. I had the paint company call me and they said, Jeff, it's looking great. I want you to come by and see the bodywork, and they're gonna be starting to jam it out tomorrow, which means they're gonna be shooting the jams with the color, and then they'll be shooting the body next week. So that's what I'm jazzed about today on my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Oh, by the way, yes, there were two evil looking places on the van that had rust. One was in the top of the window, you know, where it rolls up. It was behind some window weather stripping, and then down on the bottom of the roll door, terrible rust, and it was on a seam, like a metal had to stand up, so they had to refabricate that. He said that turned out great, and I'm really psyched to see how that turned out too. So, man, just like birthday presents all in one little trip here. So we're gonna go see it together. We're gonna see my gifts together real quick. So let's get here. Yeah, they're very sensitive to video in here. I don't know if they're American Most Wanted or whatever. I'm just kidding. Some people don't like being videoed. I totally respect that. So you'll video hands and maybe people's voices, but other than that, they just didn't want their faces on video, and I get it. So you'll just get my ugly mug and maybe like some of the updates of what was done on the van. So let's go in. Oops.
Hey sir, how's it going?
Hey man, good. Sweet man. Oh, though I had the bumpers off. These are, yeah, that's fine. This is great, man. This is exactly what I wanted to come and look at. Thank you very much, man. Good seeing you again. Okay, in the body shop, really happy to come here and look at it. And let me show you some of the things that had to be done. There was a big dent here on the front, so you can tell it's been sprayed out and it's nice and flat now. There was a crease right here. There's also some little nicks and body dings right here. Then there was a big one on this back door too. Check that out, nice and flat. Now let's look at the really big change that they told me to look at. Come here. There was a crease, that was the extra crease that was right here. And it looked like when they had, like the company before they shipped it out of Japan, like a real heated up line where they took off lettering on the side of the truck. I think that was probably what they were seeing. Right there, this little crease was all rusted out. You can still see like some of the stain from the rust, but this is all perfect, so I can put my window trim back. We can glue that back up there. Now let's check out the bottom. Oh yes, check that out. Okay, this was all just terribly cancered up right here, and we needed something for our weather stripping to catch here, and the leak from up there years had come down here, rusted this out. It didn't rust this panel out, it rusted this crease out that the weather stripping slipped on, so it looks factory. I just love it. This is exactly what I wanted on my birthday, was to be able to see something like this. Yeah, see, basically it looks exactly like the other side. They did such a really good job on that. So happy. Sweet. I'm not gonna let anyone tell me that Mako doesn't know their shit, because they've done a great job, at least the shop here. And I think all shops are different, so some people could run into bad shops, but this is just awesome. It's nice to be able to come in and walk around and see, you know, what they've done to it. This is awesome, really cool. Happy birthday to me.